Section 1. The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. Sun Tzu's words, though ancient, resonate deeply in our modern world, offering insights that are as relevant today as they were centuries ago. This timeless wisdom from the art of war transcends the battlefield, finding applications in various aspects of life. It speaks to a profound truth: true mastery lies in achieving victory before conflict even arises, in both personal and professional arenas. Strategic thinking is the ultimate weapon, a tool that can be honed and perfected over time. It's about outmaneuvering, outsmarting and outpositioning your opponent, ensuring that every move is calculated and deliberate. It's about winning the game before it begins, setting the stage for success long before the first move is made. In a world consumed by competition, understanding this principle is paramount, as it can be the difference between success and failure. We face battles every day, in business, in relationships, and within ourselves, each requiring a unique strategic approach. By embracing strategic thinking, we unlock a higher level of engagement, allowing us to navigate challenges with clarity and purpose. Our minds become the battleground, where victory is secured through foresight, planning, and understanding the terrain of engagement, leading to a more fulfilled and successful life. Section 2. Brute force is a blunt instrument. It may achieve temporary results, but it often comes at a cost. Strategic thinking, however, is a scalpel. It is precise, elegant, and infinitely more effective. Sun Tzu reminds us, the greatest victory is that which requires no battle. This is the essence of strategic mastery. Think of a skilled chess player. They don't rely on brute force. Instead, they anticipate their opponent's moves, plan several steps ahead, and position their pieces for inevitable victory. This is the power of strategic thinking. Section 3. History is replete with examples of strategic brilliance. Consider the Battle of Salamis. The outnumbered Greeks, led by Themistocles, used their knowledge of the narrow straits to their advantage. They lured the Persian fleet into a trap, securing a decisive victory that changed the course of Western civilization. Another example is the American Revolution. George Washington, despite facing a superior British force, employed guerrilla tactics and strategic retreats to wear down his enemy. He understood that time was on his side, and his strategic patience ultimately led to American independence. Section 4. Modern Masters of Strategy. Strategic thinking is not confined to the annals of history. It is a vital skill that continues to shape our modern world in profound ways. In the world of business, we see it in companies like Apple, which has consistently outmaneuvered competitors through innovative products and strategic marketing. Their ability to anticipate market trends and consumer needs has set them apart. Their success is a testament to the power of foresight and meticulous planning. Every product launch, every marketing campaign is a result of careful strategic thought. In the realm of sports, athletes like Michael Jordan and Serena Williams have reached the pinnacle of their respective fields through a combination of raw talent and strategic brilliance. Their careers are marked by moments of strategic genius. Their dedication to training, their understanding of their opponents, and their ability to adapt to changing circumstances have made them icons. They constantly analyze their performance and refine their strategies to stay ahead. Section 5. The Power of Foresight. If you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles. Sun Tzu's words highlight the importance of self-awareness and understanding your opponent. This knowledge is the foundation of effective strategy. In any competitive landscape, whether it's a business negotiation or a personal disagreement, the ability to anticipate your counterpart's moves is invaluable. By understanding their motivations, strengths, and weaknesses, you gain a decisive advantage. This foresight allows you to navigate the situation strategically, steering the interaction towards a favorable outcome without resorting to brute force or unnecessary conflict. Section 6. Wisdom's victory over strength. The true measure of a strategist lies not in their physical strength, but in their wisdom. It is wisdom that allows one to foresee challenges and opportunities, to navigate complexities with a clear mind, and to turn potential threats into advantages. It's the ability to think critically, to analyze situations objectively, and to make decisions that lead to long-term success. This involves not just understanding the immediate circumstances, but also anticipating future developments and preparing for them. Sun Tzu reminds us, to win 100 victories in 100 battles is not the acme of skill. True mastery lies in achieving your goals with minimal conflict and maximum efficiency. To subdue the enemy without fighting is the acme of skill. This principle applies not only to warfare, but also to business, diplomacy, and everyday life. This wisdom is not innate. It is cultivated through observation, learning, and the willingness to adapt. It requires a commitment to continuous improvement and a mindset open to new ideas and perspectives. It's about recognizing that the most effective battles are often won before they begin, in the quiet spaces of strategic planning and thoughtful consideration. By preparing thoroughly and thinking ahead, one can achieve success with grace and minimal resistance. Section 7. Mastering your destiny, a call to action. Embrace the art of strategic thinking. Cultivate your mind into a weapon far more potent than any physical force. Study the masters, learn from their victories and their defeats. Analyze your own life, your goals, and your challenges through the lens of strategy. Remember, the greatest victory is not on the battlefield, but in the way we navigate the complexities of life, achieving our goals while minimizing unnecessary conflict. Master the art of preparation, win without conflict.